Tutoy, tutoy.
Girl! Hey guys, it's me, Isa, and welcome back to Bayhana, the show where we talk about anything and everything about women, but not just for women, for everyone else too, because you know, knowledge is power! First, there was the no panty challenge. I do not have any clothes that could possibly support this challenge. Then you guys asked for the no bra challenge. And friends, I listened. So, for the entire week, dili ko mag-bra. The challenge this week is pretty simple. I'm not allowed to wear bras, which includes bras like this, sports bras, and bralettes, which leaves me with very little options. I want to find out kung unsa ang effect sa ako ang tutoy. I also want to know how I feel about bras and not wearing bras, and if I can get creative. By the way guys, I'm shooting this on Bicon week, so mag-meet me ni Dasovich, ni Mikey Bustos, ni Bogart the Explorer, all my internet idols, braless. So, hi! I have a 7:30 call time because I was supposed to go on the radio this morning. It's 7:45. Nasa ko nakamata guys, so I'm just waiting for my angkas. Let's go.
Private conversations with Vagina, with Bea ever done, and of course Isa Perez, who's doing a social experiment right now. She's gone braless.
Oh, I didn't think we were saying this on air.
Kids these days, no? Kids these days.
I was riding the angkas ganina ba, and I realized mo bangga man din mong tutoy usahay sa likod sa driver.
Well, someone got lucky this morning.
I know, and I was in a hurry, so I was like, I don't care what hits what, just get me here. So, start mo naman kuya. You know how I'm not wearing a bra this entire week? It got me thinking. What's really wrong with not wearing a bra? Like, if you see nipples, is it a bad thing? Are you really supposed to cover it up? It's a body part.
You research online.
Gihagit gyud ko. According to my research, wearing of bras actually started way back, like all the way to ancient Greece. They would wrap a bandage around their chest. I guess women wore it especially after childbirth. I guess the milk would leak from your tits, and so you just kind of needed something to catch it. After that, women started wearing corsets. The upper class women in France were required to wear corsets. I think it was like a social status thing until World War I. America started asking their women to stick to bras, and that's how your modern day bra exists. Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed, do some more research, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So I'm on my way to the office right now, and I am having the hardest time trying to find a t-shirt because all our clothes are in the laundry, and the ones that I actually do have left here are just like regular shirts that don't really have print, so it's really hard for me to hide my nipples. Do I really care about people seeing my nipples? I'm actually realizing that this challenge isn't about me caring about my nipples, because I see a guy's nipple, I don't care. I see a woman's nipple, I don't care. It doesn't arouse me. I see a boob, it doesn't arouse me. It's really just me being uncomfortable about people attacking me, which is why I constantly have to protect myself. And it's really frustrating when you don't have the right clothes to wear, especially for a challenge like this. I'm gonna go figure out what to wear. I'm wearing a black shirt. To hide the nips, I am gonna be covering my nipples with band-aids. Duha ra akong band-aid, unya ako pa yung napilo ang usa. This is a very frustrating day for me. I'm at the office right now, and what did the bra say to the hat? You go on ahead, while I'll give these two a lift. Ako nag-bra for a week.
Like now?
Oh my god! I'm just gonna say this in the office right now. Do not use band-aids to cover your nipples because they do not work. Unless if your nipples are like this small. But my nipples are like baligduha ka munggo beans. Today is day 3 of the no bra challenge. I am going to be dancing without a bra. I wanted to test how I would feel like exercising without a bra on. I think this is also a thing that happens when you're not wearing a bra and you have to wear layers. Your under boobs will sweat. Hence, I'm wearing this because I can't wear a sports bra, but I still kind of want to keep it intact. You know what? There's only one way to really find out. Let go!
Gipapas ko di kat sa Ayala. So nagdali-dali kog anhi. Unya tanawa good guys. Nabalip ta na ko shorts. Tanawa good. Wa nagi ko gabra bali pag ako shorts ko ayo aning tanawa.
Okay, so I'm here at the Knapsack Dance Studio. Vlog said I should consider not wearing my under sando thing, so we're gonna take it off. Take it off, take it off. Okay, so we just finished the first segment of the dance class and my boobs are sweaty and they are also everywhere. If there's anything that I learned today, dancing without a bra on is really hard. I do apologize to the people at Knapsack Studios who actually saw my boobs. There were kids at that studio, so I apologize to everyone. Whatever, that's it. See you guys tomorrow. It is day 4 of me not wearing a bra. And honestly, I am once again frustrated. I'm frustrated with my nipples. I'm frustrated with the shape of my boobs. I really feel like I lack in the self-love department right now. My boobs are just like here and here. They're like nag-away man siguro ning duha. When I don't feel good about myself, it just ruins the mood the whole day. In all my desperation, I have decided to go through my bikini bag and try to fix the problem.
Sweetheart, unsa na imong bra?
Look, tanawa.
Ano nagbikini pa man ka? Uy, weird.
Uy, bra! Nalain kaya kung tutoy mo ako.
Tanawa, sita.
Do you still love me?
Maybe.
So it's currently 11:36. We're at home, we're drinking wine, and I think it's finally about time to take the bikini bra off. The hardest thing about wearing the bikini bra is that the knot at the back is actually really digging into my neck, which I think is the reason why girls don't wear halter bras.
Joe.
Nasamad ko.
Once a month, but it's klaro nga nagibig siya.
Sakit ko ay hapdos siya po.
Oh, nagibig siya.
Hey guys, so it is day 5 of the no bra challenge, and today I am wearing this cute tube top and this skirt, and then I have a little blazer on so that I can hide whatever needs to be hidden, and my hair is all the way in the front. I'm on my way to the Bicon Infest ribbon cutting at the SMC side, and then later on tonight we have the welcome dinner, so that's where we're gonna see all the big influencers, and the outfit for tonight is scaring me. I'm stressing out about it. Paulo's stressing out about it. Everyone in my house is stressing out about it. Oh my God! Okay, so here's my top. And here are my nipples. I seriously don't know how I'm supposed to hide them in this outfit. We are going to try the bandages. I think it would work because it's white. Oh my god, you can see it. Oh my god, this is horrible. Oh my god, it looks so gross. Next, we are gonna try the gauze. I think this is the one that'll work because this is the one that Paulo says is gonna work.
2,000 years later.
We have literally tried everything. And when I say everything, I mean 3 things. The athletic tape didn't work, band-aid didn't work, and the wrap didn't work either. And it's because the cloth of this shirt is super duper thin. Every bump, every wrinkle is super clear, and therefore the only way to get away with this top is either 1, to wear a bra, 2, just admit that I have nipples and let the whole world see, or 3, layer. I mean, honestly, it's not as cute as how I imagined it, but it'll do. So this is the final outfit. We're supposed to sell this top, but we found it and we're like, let's put it over. I like it more than this one. Nakoy chika ni mo. Wa na pud ko nagbra.
Ano, sige.
Ang saman?
Commando ko ka.
Oh my God! Si Ate Isa hindi nakabra. Hindi ako nagsusuot ng bra.
You do not the liar is my pig.
Hey guys, so it is day 6 of the No Bra Challenge and it is ByCon. I'm Eve. I'm basically the first woman in existence and that's why I chose her. Yung challenge ko this week is, hindi ako nagbabra. Wow! Hindi ako nagbabra.
Ang galing. I love that.
Napanood ko yung vegan nag-panty.
Yes, so
I
ngayon,
love
hindi
it.
na ako nagbabra.
So, try yun.
Ikaw, nagbabra ka ba? Hindi ako nagbabra. Yung I love siya.
Nipple tape minsan. Kasi wala namang kakabitan eh.
Wala rin nipple tape?
Wala.
Wow!
Wait,
I'm not wearing a bra.
kamusta ka? You're not wearing a bra?
No.
Hold in, I'm not wearing a bra.
For a week.
Free the nipple.
Free the nip, right?
Tutoy. Tutoy sabi saya. Tutoy. Tutoy.
Oh my God.
Free the tutoy.
Haley, what do you think about me not wearing a bra for a week?
Girl, a week?
A week. I did no underwear for a week.
Isn't it freeing?
It's so freeing.
the most
I love
amazing
it.
feeling ever?
It is. What do you think about it? Would you do it?
I typically don't wear a bra, but I also don't give a f about what anyone
Right?
thinks. So.
No, my problem is the nipples though. Like I feel like if people see it, they're like, oh my God, she's not wearing a bra.
So why is it that people stigmatize women's nipples when men show their nipples every single day, all the time, everywhere in the world?
That's my problem.
Stigmatize the nipple.
I
Free
love
the nip.
you. Well, so I'm not wearing a bra for the entire week. What do you think of that?
I think that's European. Yeah, it's European. It's very normal.
Right?
I wasn't
You know
sure
what?
if you said European or your opinion.
I'm gonna say it's all about perspective and culture and stuff. You know, when you travel and you go across the world, you see some things that are not so normal here are normal in other places. So I always try and tell this to people: as long as you're not offending or hurting someone's feelings or anything, go and do your thing. Do whatever makes you feel confident, what makes you comfortable and happy. That's the most important.
People are offended by women not wearing bra because of what?
I would say try and not be offended by so many things.
Female nipples should not be stigmatized. Men can show their nipples whenever they want.
Dude, come on. Like, why are we even talking about this? Obviously, do what you want to do. It's comfortable.
How do you feel about women not wearing bras?
I think it's fine. Why would it be like, why is that even a thing? I think that's stupid.
So there you go, guys. I went an entire week without wearing a bra. But actually, it's been about 8 days since ByCon and I still haven't worn a bra since. I went on vacation, I've been chilling at home, I went to the office and I've been #freeing the nip. And I absolutely love it. At the start of this challenge, I had a lot of questions. Specifically, why do women wear bras? And I think I finally have my conclusion. To prevent sagging. For support. Especially if you're breastfeeding and if you're exercising, especially if you're a little bit bustier, like I am. To give your body a better silhouette. And number 4, which I think is the biggest factor as to why women actually wear bras, is culture. But there are also a lot of reasons as to why women don't actually need to wear a bra. But the main point is, you don't need to wear a bra unless you want to wear a bra. It's your body, you can do whatever you want. Just be safe. I really do believe in destigmatizing the nipple. A boob is a boob, a nipple is a nipple, a penis is a penis, skin is skin. It's all body parts, guys. It just depends on your mindset and the thoughts that you keep inside your head. I mean, that is after all what this show is about. Providing knowledge so that we can be better people, right? So I hope that you enjoyed this video. This was definitely one of my most favorite videos to shoot to date. Don't forget to join the Bayhana community group. Let's have discussions, guys, because healthy discussions are welcome discussions. I love all the conversations we have there, so if you're not a part of it, make sure you are. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my socials. I am Isa Please, and don't forget to follow ByTV as well. What are your thoughts about this challenge? Let me know in the comment section below. And if there are any other challenges that you want me to try, make sure to leave them down there as well. I read all your comments and I'm open to suggestions. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!